want to turn up your hands. Jamaica walk by, man. Whoa, watch it, Dolly. Who down? I know you're down. I know you're down. You look like a yak killing me now. Right on the street, you have a fresh. Let me catch me inside this. Hey, right about where I say 16. Look good. No, forget that. They don't want barber. This one look good. Hey, they can't see that me now go sit down and do that because I know me up boily. I'm going to do see me pitchy patchy. You understand? But look how you brush up for your one nice in a mirror. In a glass. Touch me the man. Big up every time. Big up Jamaica walk by see my family. Hey, yeah man, go and beat brother me now. Me will hear his story. Yeah, me teacher, big up respect, you don't know. Yeah, you come out though, my friend. That's some man for sell and clean in a man. Yeah, how kind of roots this? Now pocket there.
Honey.
Honey?
Yeah, man.
This look like the real thing. Look like you pull off a car and then run out.
Yes, sir, man.
Big up, how we are angle today? So me see some, yeah, tell me.
Gizzard and coconut drops.
That is it. How you mean, man?
Them thing I will do, man.
Alright, here me I go do.
Yeah.
I go dip. I say me dip.
Yeah.
You see, me have seen me find some change. So you probably hear where it go now. Yeah. So you probably go out this and a man and tell us say, our two kids and them probably never have nothing. Yeah. You probably cannot sponsor any one of them. You understand? Big up yourself because I can't walk with you, you know. One night you could enjoy on us. Whoa.
Me get around 5.
Round 5?
Right.
Blouse and skirt is a killer. Looking at that, man. Lord of mercy. Hey, watch your gumption, man. Jeez and peace. Easy with them. You understand me? Me gone 2 and me no want no more, so I'm afraid to drink all that right now. Because we go drink that and they gonna show me a different picture, you know?
Parents say them make them muscle tight in them pump.
You can't get 2 chunks, you can't get 2 lines.
I give me 2 lines then.
Ready now.
In the middle.
Yeah.
In the middle. Dribble. In the middle. Knock the ball. 2 pass. In the middle. Knock the ball. Now go to tongue. And grab up your neck.
Be special. Let me go pay for your next special. Hey, I'm going to pay for your special, man.
Listen. Your next one.
Wait a second. Hold on, I'm going to beat a table. Let me see if the table give me a sound. All right, see drum here now, you know.
Bleach them a bleach. Bleach them a bleach, I know them can't reach. Bleach them a bleach, I know them can't reach. Go talk about like a dove a mouth and beat. And get a honey color, then name like a peach. Mix up acid land with the beach and tag in your mouth and change it.
Easy. Yeah. Wait, so you 2 artists too?
Yes.
Ready? You can't make sure you ride the rhythm?
Hey. Them say me are the artist, but me are the scum artist. Well, tell me now, me come to me to tell me of the future, that a computer. Girl companies under me is a visitor, girl always come. One for me corner, one sentimina and one marijuana. Them say, Hans man, where you are the one, and me want party, you have to know what I'll teach her.
How easy, massive, you don't know, big up every time and look good, no man, blessing for another day. You don't know anything set up on a normal thing. I read about now we're in a Clarendon. You understand which part all of my Clarendon massive them don't look good, no man? You understand? So they're in one place called Haze, you understand? Know yourself, Haze. You understand? With a H, you understand? In a Clarendon, you understand? Maypen side, big up all my Maypen massive, all my Clarendon massive, all my Lionel Town massive, all my Haze massive, all of the people them from Cockpit, all of them place they big up every time. You understand? So right about now we're in one look up spot here in one place and we're going to walk on a nice stretch of Haze. You understand? So we're going to walk from, I'm sure no, still, so we're going to walk from all of that stretch and go down to Vere Technical High School. We are going down to East Center, the police station, all of them look up there. So listen me, we don't know all the people them from Vere Technical too. We don't see stretch for a long way. I know so when school over, we always run up and down, we always do all of the sitting them, we don't know which part, we go buy the food them, we don't know which part, we stop and chill out and hang out and all them things. We don't know all the top run of them when normally got Vere Tech. So hear me I say, we don't know about Sharika Jackson, you understand? You have Veronica Campbell and etc. Whole heap of superstar normally go high school. You know, comment below and tell me all the rest of run of them and the superstar them who used to go Vere Technical. And if you used to go Vere Technical too, we are going to walk a whole stretch, we are going to see what go on. See me I say, say? So if you just start watching video, beg me a beg you right now, if you please like the video. That's all me a beg you. We are wait. Like the video right now. We are wait. Drop 2 comments, start comment. You can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. We are going to see how much place we can advertise today. We are going to see how much people we can talk to. We are going to see if no Dali in our street. We are going to see if no General in our street. If we can get some Instagram, we can turn up some business. We don't know where we are going to go on it, but we are going to find out. You understand? We are going to see how peaceful the place be. We are going to see if the place vibrant. We are going to see if it on the low down. We are going to find out all of that today. We are going to find all the food spot them, all of them things, the wholesale them, all gas station. We are going to see what go on. But beg me a beg you. Please like the video. Please, me a wait. Before me even move off, me a beg you to like the video. Come here, we sit down right on the Aki tree. You understand? I not even know who for spot this me there, but the place the right over there so. The place so clean and nice, look good. You understand? The name Sugar Lips Pub. You understand? Sugar Lips Pub. So maybe $1 in there, we don't know. Because if I write so I sit down, me I say juice, me I say cool, free, fridge with cool juice and beer things. You probably go over there, go see what go on over the same speed. You understand? We see right there, so we have a deep edge seafood supply. So fresh and things. So you understand? Look like it lock right now, but we don't know. We're going to find out. You understand? Yeah, so with the right hand Aki tree right so. I don't know, them put some nice cool chair right so people can sit down pan. Yeah, me endorse and blast that one. You understand? Alright, so we're there. I'm going easy before we start. So now that you don't like the video, I'm going to start commenting at the comment section and thing. We're going to walk out on the street. Come in, I could do it like this. Watch me here. Massive, me tell you, say the sun hot. The sun a pelt. You understand? Now see a word. Let me see before me even go no further. I can see what I go on over here. So. Yeah. Blessed me teacher. Manners. Whoa, $1. Big up every time, my friend. I'm a YouTuber, Jamaica walk by. You don't know me, just a walk through all the spot here. I'm going to showcase what I go on in the world. You don't mind me give the place a little promotion, my friend, and talk about all the good things. Hey, are you there in a dolly, man? Come in, man. Massive, let me see what I go on there. Yeah, massive. So you're in a nice place, you understand? So right about now, the place is named Sugar Lips Pub. You understand? Yeah. So you can switch on me start the video, as you can see, whole heap of liquor and thing and beer thing. If you know say if you're thirsty and thing, you can come get your cold juice them and all of them good thing there. You understand? We say you beat a special, touch me now, man. Nobody run from the top, man. You seal it now, you not seal it. You not seal it. You not see, oh, you not see what I go on. Big up every time. Why not special? Why not the special? Tell me what I go on with the special, man. Come in, man. We're there in a Sugar Lips. Look good. And not no joke thing. Big up yourself, my teacher. My darling friend. Can't get Instagram. And your girlfriend, me here? I feel one. Blouse and skirt, man. How you mean, man? That's a good look. You understand? Not see a rare. Look good. Look for the place. You understand? Look good. You understand? Then do things different like car wash. I say, Because the place a look big like one car wash. You say there, so need a car wash machine, man. Look good. My darling friend, you don't mind if I give her a shout out on Instagram? Oh, she not like that something there. Alright, big up yourself, darling. We still have turn up your ends, you understand? Oh, today Friday they give her enough money. Our real general. But yeah, place clean and nice, so good. You have seated over there so you understand so you can come and do your money. Easily, look good. And no joke thing, the place nice and steady, you understand? Yeah. Don't have ears with there, we go walk your whole church and show no what go on. Check it out, so. Make sure so the forward and make people them know say a Jamaica walk by your seat pan and you want make a stop and you want easy with your friend and beat 2 juice. You understand? Big up on yourself, you hear me teacher? One love and respect, alright? Hold on, when me general, I not video. Big up yourself here, I'm a friend. Take it easy, one love. Bye bye, my friend. Yeah, I want $1 in there now, so you can forward. And forward, you can look for yourself and you think I joke me I make. Yeah, and a joke thing, man. That is it, so. Let's do this as we go through easily. A mad something, man. So right over there, so now, you can see it's Jamalco mud pit. You understand? Jamalco mud pit over there. So like it I get higher. Oh, enjoy brakes hard, man. I tell you, goat them across the road. You understand? Hold on, goat and thing. Yeah, so the mud pit over there, so Jamalco mud pit and thing. So come like it I get higher, bigger. Personally, I've never seen what it looks like, you understand, but I don't know if I can get the drone shot for sure or over the stay. I can get a little idea of it, but I know for sure that it is massive. It's a massive mud pit. So, I'm not sure exactly how the whole happenings around that go on, but as I can say, big, I know say at one point, you don't know, say people down the years did have a problem with it and bunch of things, but it all day in the court and them things, and the court them deal with it with the community and the Jamaica business place, you understand, and them sort it out, and them supposed to know the verdict and what's what. But you know, we can't get into that and think, I'm not going to talk, I don't know. So it was alleged and based and thing like that. So I could see what go on. See, but I know so the mud pit up there, so we can get the drone to show you from that side. You can see what it looks like. We are going to find out. See? But yeah, see the stretcher where we're there. Right down a haze. You understand how we're going to see it? Oh, this look nice. We're not going to do the bus stop, cross the road, you know. Then decorate the bus stop a little bit with the Jamaican flag, the whole Jamaican color and all of them good things there. Yeah, whosoever did this, I like it, you know. It's a good look and thing, that is it. Only hope them keep it up. Big Jamaican flag in there and say, in the kind of dirty still, but I don't know. Yeah, better than nothing. So we don't have ears. Big up our Lionel Town massive. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You understand? Yeah, man, look good. Look good. Yeah, massive. And a joke thing. So we're there. Big up our Lionel Town massive, as I say. You don't know. Them really call the road there Lionel Town Road. You understand? So we walk the stretch and thing. So we're the right on Lionel Town Road. Haze. You understand? Haze. Haze. You understand? No joke, no doubt. And as I was telling you, the mud pit up there and thing. So we are go through. No joke. So big up all my members, you don't know. We're up to 20 odd members, and I just want to say big up to all of you. Anybody want to join Jamaica Walk By membership program, you don't know if exclusive content and them things about Jamaica and stuff like that. Or you just want to support Jamaica Walk By, you don't know, you can sign up for membership. It's just something like a $1 or $2 per month, you understand? Easy chop, big up every time, you understand? So blessings upon blessings to all of Jamaica Walk By members and our diehearted subscribers them. I don't know, big them up every time. Big up all my fellow YouTubers them too. I always support Jamaica Walk By to said speed. You understand? Over here is beautiful. Look at this. You understand? I'm not sure what is over here, but the front part of it is really nice. I hope someone signed there. Well, we could actually give the place here a big up. But the way them do the decor at the front is just beautiful. Look on that. Yes, it looks like one construction place over there, something like that. So anybody in our comment section will know what is over here. You can always comment it and think, because I see some cat over there, I see backhoe, I see dumper truck, I see trailer truck, I see a whole heap of things over there. But I don't see no sign to say what is over there still. See the verb, it's massive. Yeah, so big up the general there or whoever own the place here. It's a good look. It's beautiful. You understand? No joke, no doubt as we move through. Blessing. So big up all my massive from America, all my massive from Europe, all my African massive, one love. You understand? As we walk through, all the people them will actually watch from TikTok, all the people them will actually watch from Facebook, all the people them will watch from YouTube, mad love, mad respect, and all the massive will watch from Instagram. You don't know, big up every time in the chat section. You understand? No joke, no doubt. One love and big up. So these videos are just to preserve Jamaica as we see what a place look like in this time. You understand? Until further on in the year or the hairs, when you watch it, you can see the changes and the development. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Respect. So that is it. So massive, if you watch this on YouTube, me I beg you to subscribe to the channel, drop some like and thing. Also, me I ask you if you support the TikTok. We're on TikTok at Jamaica Walk By TV. You understand? So please go and follow our TikTok and thing. You know, we go live over there, walking same way in the street and show it live and all of them things, the same speed. So me I ask you if you go over there and like. Follow Jamaica Walk By TV on TikTok, and also we on Instagram too as well. Big up to all my Instagram followers. We are well over 100,000 followers on Instagram, which is great. And you don't know, blessings and continue support over there. And remember, we promote person stuff for free. So if you have something that you want to share with the world, you can actually send it to me DM or just message me in my DM on Instagram and ask me to share it, and I will do so. Zin, if you want to donate to the cause, that's fine, but you don't have to. It is solely free for you to, you know, utilize and share what you want. Blessed fire, seeing. So that is it. So we have a lot of perks on Jamaica Walk By where all the massive right across the world can utilize. So promotion over here is free. You have something you want to share, you can. So if you look below on the live on YouTube and TikTok, you will see we have videos running and stuff like that. So if you have something that you want to promote or share, you can send it to us 9x16 format. Yeah, so and we will put it below and let your new music video play or your whatever you want, your ad for your TV program. You will see it below, so you can place your ad there. It's totally, you don't know anything, but just link us up and we'll do it. So there's a hardware over here and things, so we're gonna check out over here. So you understand? So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the spot here before me even go in there. You understand? So look good. I'm gonna endorse and blast a place differently, because you see that thing, you know, over here, so it's a general, a family thing, and a joke thing. I want one of my general run off the spot here. So I tell him every day, so anytime I forward that spot here, I have to forward and talk about the place here differently. The hardware here. You understand? Look good now, man. You see, yes, so we have to endorse and blast. Oh, that over there, sir. Yo! Yeah. So massive, you see that spot here? I'm going to tell you about that spot here as soon as I go in. So my general run off the hardware here. You understand? And you see the hardware here are the number one. Look good. The number one hardware in the whole Lionel Town, the whole Hayes, and all them places. Because guess what? You get only for free perks with the hardware here. You understand? As me I go talk to my general, him one of the general who work over here and thing. Well, Lord, man, me switch this. So, you see right about now, well, on the man. Yeah. So me soon talk to you. You see you come out in your hard boot and everything. 100%. Oh, you mean? Work fashion.
Style, brother.
Big up every time, no man. Oh, you mean? They on the work every day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, you have to work.
Yeah. See that general, yeah? I want my bridge, I'm a friend this. And I'm a general spot this. So massive, you see everything when me I buy when it comes down to hardware and them thing, they're right, that's what I buy. You understand? One of the great thing with over here, so you see that general I want to buy over here, so yeah, go see me, because here one the general give back to the community. So you see if you're in and out of the surrounding areas, boy, yeah, and you buy from the hardware, yeah, and you have in truck them and all them thing there, where him deliver your thing. You deliver your thing for free, small conditions apply. You understand? Based on where you're there. You understand me? I say, but you can know some give back to the community because your delivery are going to be for free. So if you buy your sandstone, cement, all them kind of thing that you call them and we tell you what one can deliver for you for free. You understand? Once you can hold in a truck and them thing there, in we can come and just make you know what go on. You understand? But hear me tell you, say, it is for free with conditions apply based on where you buy. You understand me? I say, because if you probably buy sand and stone, you probably have to pay a delivery for that. You understand? But make you go in the hardware, me soon come. I'm going to show them how I go on in here. Oh, you mean? Look good now, man. So massive me say, if me stop at the hardware here, me can't walk. Whoa! Big woman there. One Jamaica walk by in a place. We know them place like a me yard. Oh, you mean? Oh, that's some thing there. Look good now, man. So massive, look good. Look good. Right in me there. So from toilet to compressor, you don't know, bathroom, kitchen, facets, everything you can think of for me start your house till it done. Them sell it in a so. You understand me? I say, for all of my virgin, them I so buy. You want door, you want cement, you want tin set, you want everything, right? So. You understand? Right out of ears with the logo right on the main road. You understand? We call it as a Lionel Town road. You understand? If I'm lying, I'm dying. Me say this someone I give back to the community. So from your buy right so, you will get delivery free. Small conditions apply, and no joke thing. You understand? So it depends on where you buy. Me can guarantee you though, the sand and the stone, it's not going to be for free. You understand? You understand? So Right now. Oh gosh, who that? Who that there? You see your face? Alright, so right now, I'm gonna let you tell me who me there with. What do I put it on there? So can you have a talk to me today? Oh yeah, I guess. Ready to buy me, sir?
I mean that.
Come here, boy. I'm a Jamaica walk by my place.
You don't see it?
See it there.
Walk there.
Yeah. So, one sell as you go on record. You understand? So massive, look good. So right now, the general want a pair of gloves. I sell right away. Me tell them say anywhere me going to sale if it start turn up. Look good. You're not afraid of camera, general?
No, man, you open that camera, man. I want to see you.
Come here, say, handsome young man not afraid of camera, no? Well, are you married yet? Let me see finger.
No, man, me not put on a ring yet.
You live with a woman?
Yeah.
Oh, you live with a woman?
Yeah,
that is it. That's the only thing, you know, because I just so say no guy early, you know, because all that whitey them man and all them people are friendly, want handsome young man. See you trim up, you trim up, you're clean, you have all the crooks and all them things, they're not gonna leave, man. Yeah, so we can't just make all that, man them take away all the woman them, who wants some man them to go to, man. You understand? Migrate, man. You understand? That is exactly what is happening. So look here, see there? So where General Ford come get you, so you can get your gloves and all of them things, different colors. See it there? You understand? Now ramp with the chop, and this one have the rubber and things, so the cloth at top. So right at the hardware, yeah. What? Remember telling a joke, massive. So the general own the place. Sometime we father give me a link on my yard. So one day he come and give me a link in and I see him with them, yeah. And I take out something out of van for myself, you know. And him just say, yo, what happened to the gloves, man? And I know with them yard same way. You understand? So you probably can't get a gloves. So if you don't see no work at them forward for delivery, man, just take a gloves and say, yo, let me help you to take out this stuff them out of the truck. And just move a gloves. You understand? No joke, no door. Look on the place. How you mean? Well, on there. My family. Yes, you know come in, bust the door, cause a different kind of settings this. Hi! Give me a hug now, man. Yeah. Blessings and love, you understand? You alright? You just come from school? Watch out how girl me I get. Where's your sister then? Oh, alright then, no see a word. Come here, we are going to write us up. So make a show on the wall. Yes, my general. Lord have mercy, we have close and personal in our shop. Look good. Everything we have. You understand? So massive me have to endorse and blast the place. You're different. You understand? From doorknob, door locks, everything. Look good. Nipper, all sort of thing. Every tool you want can think of. To start your house, you done your house. Drain, everything. You get it right here, so. Me have to endorse and blast the place. You're different. There's nothing you can think of for him not have. You understand? And you see if you come here and ask you something and him not have it, him shall source it and start selling. Look good. And a joke me I tell you now. You understand? I remember me tell you this is when I give back to the community by if you live down the road or you live round so you live up a sandy bay side, it will make you get where you want. And you know one of the greatest thing too? Me talk to you no good. Me go tell you one of the greatest thing too. See? With that place here. As me endorse and blast it. See me I say? Alright. So look good, you see right so now, here what me now. You see if you want to buy something and you're not there, you can do bank transfer. So you can call him and you do bank transfer and once you transfer and tell him what you want, he will come give you. So you not have to forward the hardware. Just call, tell them what you want and you just send him money to your number or to your account number and once you go and verify the payment make by your quint. Your hardware supplier, everything reach at your yard. And a joke thing, alright, that's on my shop straight. Me not just attack, me I tell about my experience when it comes down to yes. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Me generally ever tried that yet? You ever tried the bank transfer when you buy, you just call and say, you know me I go want that. And then just go so boom and just bring it straight to your yard. Every time. But me I tell her man, and a normal chat man look good. I choose shit, you see time me forward in a place, as a place get busy and I be a look me travel with the place also get busy and just turn up. Anywhere me go. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You go through though. You go on. Because we not talk to you yet, because you have some little address and a phone number and all of them little things that we want you give out. You understand? And she get busy because when Jamaica walk by touching a place, the place busy. You understand? A promotion, I hope we are dealing with. No joke, no doubt, man. Look good. Hey, this body, look, I buy one of this one here, I tell us right now with a chop like a lightning. Love it. This one, I want protect this. I just my fridge alone, my plug in there. Oh, you mean? You understand? One time I did my family, them place, things different, So massive more on the forward, so come by and say Jamaica walk by on the sea place pan on the forward. We not go test it hardware, no test it. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Jamaica walk by, yeah. TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Everything. Alright. Alright. Yeah man, Jamaica walk by. So massive from board, block, steel, sand, stone, gravel, everything. You get it right and so. No joke thing man. This man I work like Android, You can't play with him. He work like Android. And if he not have it, he might go get it. I saw him work. Look good. You can't think about something and him not have it. You understand? If you do your I say yes, you can start your house and done it. And as I say, if you want something and him not have it, he might go get it. Force him buy from somebody else and carry back and sell it. I saw him work, man. Yeah, man. Yes, so everybody must benefit. I saw him do the thing. Alright, so General done said, so big up yourself, hear me teacher. You're there on Instagram too? Why your Instagram?
If them want
yeah, talk to me.
Or solar for Insta.
Hold on, man, but you're a businessman, man. I could talk, man. See that, come, turn up your business too. Turn up your business, yeah. Hold on, let me take you off of that side, yeah? So people them can.
You can work for your house from start to finish. If you want your solar to install outside here, you can bring it, you can deal with that. The solar system. For you.
Solar system?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so you know the electrical gate and everything like that?
Everything with everything.
Give out the number, right?
All for industrial, you see me?
Industrial.
Yes.
But you see, so you see how this handsome young man, you know, you see him, for you see him clean and you could have know say them man and know him need a businessman this. You understand? Society man. Hard working brother. You
Right
understand?
now it's a solar system, we just have finish up right down there.
That is it. Yeah. So about the area, you do it all way, anywhere.
Everywhere with it.
So once somebody link up for Kingston, you just work in it and the price.
Everywhere, yeah.
That is it.
You
Me I go want
traveling.
tell me the Instagram number, the Instagram handle.
Alright, the Instagram at Delydane, DELLYDANE.
That is it. And the number then can call you.
806-913.
That is it. Oh, you mean?
So link up for you with a name, you see me?
See
and
that?
call me for what I work there.
That is it. Big up every time I respect. Jamaica walk by, see?
Yeah.
That is it.
And subscribe and be a things.
Figure that.
Oh, you mean?
Oh, yeah, you see why not? You see why not? We talk to people. Big businessman this year. No joke, no doubt. Me go in here so now go talk to my family here. So here what you are going to do now? Tell me, you have your address by your head?
Our address?
Yeah. Alright, give me the...
Main Road.
Alright, so give me the address and the telephone number and any other information where you want to give out.
Okay. The hardware's name is Fabwell Construction and
Yeah.
Hardware Supplies. We're located on Hayes Main Road, and you can contact us at 336-9038. You can also WhatsApp us.
There's a WhatsApp. So you can just text by WhatsApp and say, do you have 20 pound a nail?
Yes.
2 inch or
You
3 inch
can,
nail?
call and order, come and pick up. You can pay online as well.
That is it.
Card, use card.
See? Visa card and all these good great things. That is it. So you know, so them are gonna ask me say, if you the on Instagram, because you have got to be able to shout out your Instagram so they can not cost me. Guess what? You see more than I say, I can follow them man and maybe we can support her look at Instagram or maybe if you do something different. What's your Instagram?
Deandra M. So it's DXANDRAM.
Yeah, so our encourage the hairstyle now. This are the hairstyle for ringing the customer.
We say this every day, you know.
Just everyday look.
Well, not every day, but some
We
days.
you call the hairstyle.
I don't mean name it, you know, at the customers. Sometimes we hear Mickey Mouse or
Yeah.
Puffs or Puff girl. Or, you know, but
That is it. And they just give them the nice bright smile and then just done them money.
right, every day.
Figure that. So massive you can link her up on Instagram, support her, I don't know, Ray. But just want to call the number, forward the hardware, a nice dolly in her hardware so you can forward. You understand and make sure say the business turn up. And listen, from now forward you have to just support. If you don't want to come talk to her, if I even buy one nail. You understand?
Right.
Just buy one nail so you know say your stay is sure. You understand? So big up every time. So massive you can get from a pin to a hanker. You understand? Right, yeah, so.
And if we don't have it, we'll get it for you.
And if them don't have it, them get it for you. No joke, no doubt. Look on the place. And a long time it up in but me I tell her say it behave like a long time it up in the place. Nice and short. So what time you open again before me leave?
We open at 8 to 5 from Monday to Saturdays. On Sundays, we open at 8 to 3.
8 to 3.
Yeah, every
so
day.
I was
Open
telling
every
them that hardware giveaway to give back to the community
Yes,
by
definitely.
giving nice free delivery in and out the area.
Conditions apply. But
Yeah.
for churches and schools, always free delivery.
Always free delivery.
Always
Churches
give
and
back to the community. The boss.
Same
always-
thing that.
Yes, that's his thing.
Massive, if I want something at town right or something come by, you know, he might go find you know, cause from me can link him and say, Ray, me there my yard and he just carry come and just send somebody with it. Me good to go. That is it. No joke, no doubt. So, you don't know a whole place me I go
And
walk.
as I
So,
said,
big up every time.
You can call and order. As we say, you call, they right up there. So may I come, you know, I'm prepared for you. Come and pick up, come and pay and pick up and go.
That is it. Are you sending money online and we carry come?
Yeah.
Figure that. Oh, you mean? That is it, massive. So, I'm outside like I can go. And we are going down the rest of stretch. You understand? No joke. Lexi, you there? Come to, I might dolly this, you know. Yeah, man, I might dolly this, man. Lord, come right out. Yeah, man, I don't know that girl, I might dolly this. That one here is mine. Figure that, look on girl. Nice and cute and basic and sexy like a, hey. Hey, look them, man. Whoa! My God, now, man. That one there, my one. All of you know now. You understand? Like, say me soon come. Road a burn up. Outside me there. So massive as we start do it like this. Let's go. We're ready. Outside, no joke. So you don't know. See there? Look how the place there. You understand? You can't miss it. Look exactly what you there. Right here, so. Maddest hardware. So, as we do it like this, let's go. Because we have a far way to go. You know we go far out. Alright. So open and enjoy the drone shots and stuff like that. You understand? Yeah. Get some nice drone shot in there. You don't know. Them always tell me something to walk with the vehicle them following behind me. So you see all the line on the road. They make sure they're beyond the line and all of that. You understand? Because I walk over that side, nothing really over there. As you can see the bushes and the lake there over there. So, I not too want program over there. So. But we dip on the journey again as we walk down our ears. Go down there. Ears square, Vere technical and all of them places there. As we showcase it. You understand? No joke, no doubt. As we move through. Boy, I first me I see this here. They have a green by the top and they have a orange below. Every single one of the posts them. Boy, this not I've never seen that one before. Sometimes also my posts then double up the green flag and the orange flag. You understand? Yeah. So all of the massive them, if you don't know what that means, in Jamaica we have two dominant political parties, JLP and PNP. JLP is Jamaica Labour Party and PNP is People National Party. They are the two dominant parties in Jamaica. You understand? So, as you can see them representative flags, you know, people come and put up the flag them and thing, you know what I mean? So, these are not any turf or war zone or stuff like that. They are just political party flags and color. So, in my understanding, seeing them on the post together, meaning probably some form of unity, while both of them is standing on the wall. So, who knows? You can comment in the comment section and let me know if it's so or if it's what it is. You understand? Let's find out as we go through. Oh, cool. There's actually a fire hydrant over there. Only hope water is inside there. Yeah, so we're walking through this community massive as we go through. So if you have watched thus far and you're not yet like, please I'm asking you to like the video. Please I'm asking you to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel as we go through. You know we go far out. Big up Popcorn, you understand? Sister Popcorn I do a whole heap of work and thinking at the St. Thomas area. So you don't know anybody who do great work, you don't know we have to give them credit, you understand? So big him up for all the work and the hard work I put in the music and also down in the community of St. Thomas. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man. This is a church over there. Yeah, man. No joke. Come show me teacher. Blessed family. As he move through. So if you enjoy the video, please may I beg you to drop some comment in the comment section there. You understand? Please like the video, please. I'm asking you to like the video. You don't know, every like make the video grow. You know, so it can reach more people. You understand? Let your voice be heard in the comment section. You understand? Yeah, man. So it's almost mango time in Jamaica, cause a whole heap of mango tree are ripe and beer things. That's a guinea tree. Yeah. Good evening. Yeah. As we walk. Stretch of days. So far, what I know about this place is that it can be very down at some point, but active at the same time. Can't understand it. Yeah. Over here, so now you don't know. Auto supply service, parts and accessories. You understand? See what go on there? Yeah. Big up to over here, so you don't know, you can call them if you want to find out what them do if you're about the area. You understand? Look like them do servicing and all kinds of stuff. The number they on WhatsApp to as well. Can shout them 876-591-4691. See a power wash over there too, so they call like them wash vehicle too as well, and then do servicing and stuff. So you probably can get your car fixed and all of that and then wash. So you touch out on the road fresh. Like you just drive out of a car mart. So big up to all our massive in the chat section, you understand? Yeah, I wanna make the thing work, you know. So no go and comment about the mindset there in the chat. You know you can talk with each other in the chat too as well. You understand? Big up some of the die-hearted people them too. You don't know Tina. You don't know Tina. Big up yourself, Tina Lee. Jason Gina. You don't know Mark Brown. You understand? Melissa. You understand? Long time I haven't seen Julie in the kitchen. You know what I mean? Also I wanna big up Princess. You don't know Princess, big up yourself. Vince, you don't know, big up every time. You don't know Rude Boy Studio, big up yourself every time. You understand? Yeah. You don't know a thing go. Big up to all my members as always. You understand? Yeah. Let me give my members them a big up and thing. Let me look on it real quick. Give some of my members them a nice big up, official big up, because when I don't know now support Jamaica walk by month. So I have to big you guys up, you know. No joke. Let me see my members so I can go down big up as we walk. You understand? And right about now in our members, I don't know we have Basil. You don't know Basil, big up yourself. Freedom D, big up yourself. Narito, big up yourself. You understand? Hill, that's ILL, big up yourself. You don't know Pamela Burgess, if I pronounce the name properly. You don't know we have YA, big up yourself always on the channel. Mikey, big up every time. Shirley Rue, one love always. You don't know Thai Travel Vlogs, big up yourself. That's also a YouTuber, so you guys can check his channel out and subscribe to his channel. You understand? Simple Sophie, yeah, big up yourself. One of #1 supporter that too as well too, you know. No joke thing. Either Tulak, big up yourself. Isilda, Orient Freestyle Adventure, another YouTuber that too, you know. You can check out Orient page. Some guy from Toronto, I'm a general that. My Bridget, you don't know. Vince, big up. Jaden Jackson, big up yourself. Seth C, big up yourself. Respect. Freedom Earners TV, one love. You don't know Gary Mowat, big up yourself. I may always talk about Jason and Gina. Enough love. You don't know Rashid Gray. You're one of the first member on Jamaica Walk By, and Damian Sutherland. You understand? Big up every time. My members. And to be a member is just a a small fee per month to get exclusive content and stuff like that. As we walk and as we showcase stuff and big things. So right about now, as you can see, we just touch out a ears square. Look good. With the right out a ears square. You understand? Yeah. And if me look on the channel right about now, I can see some persons who always a comment, you don't know a thing go. You understand? Big up all I massive them will support Jamaica Walk By. We always a comment on the videos them and all of that. So right now with the ears square. And we are going to see what going out at ears square. Look good. You understand? Yeah. Few business, the place change up and place look nice and sitting. You understand? Well, I can see a cook shop over there, so I see a bar over there, so and we are going to go over there and we are going to see how the place set up. I see jerk pan out there, so set up and thing. So I could go find out now. I could see what going out at ears square now. A mad thing. And a joke thing. Blessed me teacher. Respect. Jamaica Walk By my teacher. Jamaica Walk By YouTube channel. Big up and respect manners and thing. We do an episode for out of years. You know, showcase the businesses, the people them. What? We say right on the street here for fresh. Let me catch me and this. Hey, right now we say 16. Look good. No, forget no one barber this one look good. Then I can see that me now go sit down and do that because I know me boily. I'm going to do see me pitchy patchy. You understand? But look how you brush up for your one nice in a mirror. In a glass. Touch me the man. Big up every time. Big up Jamaica Walk By see my family. Me like a little style here with the Jamaica flag in a bus stop and all of that. Good something there. You understand? No joke. See that? A barber man look good. Look how I did it. Nice and easy. What you mean? Where's the bush? Where farm the boat? What were your plan? Cow and goat. And hog.
Yeah, mango.
You say you're rich?
No, I'm not rich.
You have to rich. Be rich now. If I not so much of them see them rich, I have to take a little blessing, you know?
If you're not rich, you're going to be poor. But I want to be.
That I want to. So man that walk with the machete, you don't know he's a farmer.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
We weed the ground and make sure say him animals and them all of them things they're good to go. You understand? But a clean piece of farmer though. Watch it man, you look like you even go up on the farm from morning. You see you. Water. Big up yourself, man. Big up somebody, man. Big up a family or a friend, man.
Well, big up a friend, man. Big up a family, them. Portugal, them. Big up yourself. Pinchy, them. Big up on yourself.
What you mean?
And the whole of them. Mummy, you big up on yourself. IAP, them. Big up on yourself. Murphy, man, we are him. Lucky me, whoever used to work for
I mean Murphy?
Yes, the name is Aki.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself.
Yeah. How you mean, man?
Yeah, man. Lucky, big up yourself.
That is
bushwhacker man there.
Yeah, so when we realize say, don't you smart, so it's like everybody know everybody.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Everybody know everybody.
That is it. So to support the hard work, the road that are the yellow one. That my family look at ends, you know.
Yeah, up them man.
Yeah.
Policeman, guard me up there.
That is it, man. You know the thing, man. Everything. Yeah, man. You have to big up somebody too, you know. Yeah, man. Big up somebody, man. Big up your wife here, yeah. Big up 2 daughters, 2 sons. Because from me see how you clean and step out, you know, you have to get a couple youth, you know. How much youth you got?
3 we got.
3. See them in the know, man. For you clean and see, so you have to get girl in a brother. Look on the man spectacle, man.
Yes, man.
Don't play with it, man. Just a 3. Big up your 3 youth, man.
Yeah, man, big up the 3 youth there, man.
That is it, man.
I'm Mother's Day, I come up to you, you know, so I'm big up their mother too. On Sunday, I'm Mother's Day.
Yeah.
I big up their mother as well, you know?
Figure that.
Yeah, man, for real.
You not call her name?
Eh?
You not call her name?
Well.
She know herself?
Yeah, man, she know herself.
Yeah, big up her. You're smart. Yeah. How you been? So, Baba, how are your shop there? Where shop there? Not a shop boy, so? He said, we just come in that shop. I may have to go circle you, man. Big up yourself, my teacher. Yeah, you know, so me I go over the bar, because the bar look like it have a vibe, you know. We see our dolly over there. And we see some other business place, so we are going to turn up, you know what I mean? No joke, big up our respect here, me so forward. Figure that. Oh, you mean? So I'm going to step in another place, sir. Yeah. Who said that? Hold on there, I know. Yeah. Dale. Big up on yourself, big up, respect. See, I be a musical player, you know, I can't turn up the ends. Who want to turn up the ends? Jamaica Walk By, man. Whoa, watch it, Dale. big up every time. What you say? Mad thing. What you say? Watch the channel too. Oh, you mean? Who down? I know you're down. I know you're down. You look like a kill them, you know. Are you? Oh, you mean? Who want to turn up that spot here? My darling friend. You can turn on the music a little bit. Let me turn up your son a little bit. Alright. Look good. Shabba says she don't want me to turn up the place, but I saw you go. Me I go through. She say, yeah, me understand too. Understand, say she don't understand. Yeah, that's it, man. So, I him down. How much you have him down, man? You there 3? How much in there? Are you there 4? Boy, no look good enough. Let me see that we broke it now. It don't look good. It don't look good. Special, yeah, big. Why not special? That look like a rum and Pepsi. When before me come put on around. As me done, me come put on around. I soon come. Me I go drop this soon. You understand? No joking. By the weekend, yeah, me done. You understand? But you massive, but that's ends here. You understand? No joke thing. See a restroom, this and thing, eh? Let's say big up myself. Yeah, come out and nice, come. Big up 1 minute for him, come in. Him know what I want. Come right so. Yeah. Alright, now see a word, me general. Can't see one over there, so ball out. Alright, come in. But you know, say the glass and that you have and nobody can see you. Yeah. So, which one me there? Tell them what me there. Yes, square. That is it. We say, you're looking at ends, so you want to turn up the ends. Give her a strength, because she don't know. A new edition bar. I run out here, so. Alright, so we are give them some love, see them way, see? Alright, we say people before they come with that energy. That is it, man.
So we are going to have some night league over here.
We say over here, so now have some night league?
Yeah,
like football?
Yeah, man.
Oh, we ask them. Let me look where we go. Oh, yeah? So massive, them start out the ends to do some night league, football league. Oh, if he big, man. Look good now, man. That is it. Oh, you mean? At the old age school? And you know, me never know that. You know, me that look on them and say, look like one school building now. Oh, so a school that they moved to down the road. Oh, I feel here of this, man. You know about the place well, man. Oh, you mean, man? So, man, so we're going to do some night league football, you know, bring people together, unite, put some joy in our community and things. So, that's a great initiative. You understand? You don't know, big up to talk to me. I one love, see him where, respect on my one Jamaica walk by my teacher. See it? Big up and respect, man. The whole I place me I walk through, you see me? I make you go murder him, you know, see him then, but I run in there, but I feel like a mango break set it, you know. Wait, so what next bar road that's a do? Let me see your road that's a look. Yeah, massive, and no joke thing, man. I want love and respect. Yeah, one Jamaica walk by. Me want to talk to Dolly, make she showcase the play, but she afraid. Oh, what next ends round that's so? One Jamaica walk by, my friend. Then call run and look like a pinky bar.
Yes, man.
Yeah. See all the ital man here with the nuts them and all of them things. Me can check out piece of bar there. Oh, you mean? Hey, yeah, man, go and beat bird eye, me know. Me will hear a story. Yeah, me teacher, big up respect, you don't know. Yeah, you come out though, my friend. There's some man for sell and clean in a man. Yeah, what kind of roots this? In your pocket there?
Honey.
A honey?
Yeah, man.
This look like the real thing, look like you pull off the cock and then run out.
Yes, sir, man.
Big up, and we are angle today. So me see some, yeah, tell me.
Gizzard and coconut drops.
That is it, how you mean, man?
Them thing I will do, man.
Alright, here what I go do? I go dip. And you see me dip?
Yeah.
You see, I see me find some change. So you probably hear where it go now. So you probably go out this and a man tell you say, our 2 kids and them probably never have nothing. You probably cannot sponsor any one of them. You understand? Big up yourself, because I can't walk with you, know. One nice you can ends round so. Whoa! You don't lean a bar hide our face. Big up yourself, my big man. You understand? We have to talk about the place because I want the people then come by and down the bar every day. Look good, so the nice you go spot round so you can come and forward right round and just a 8 square with it. Come and support her. The fun and blow cool and nice. You understand? If you want the special, all of them things, big up yourself, my friend, and love. Touch me, seal it, because you don't know when I'm going to make sure I seal it. You understand? Blessings and love. You understand? I'm going to come back, make sure I come back and support the thing same way. So every juice there, You understand? No joke. See the good shelter, so if rain and fall, you can still have a vibe and a drink same way. No joke, no doubt. Look good now, man. Anyway, just make sure so the father and see a Jamaica walk by and see it for me. See how time the football field start over there, so when you know say yes, I go just a sell like hot bread. You understand? She don't have much in there, everything just a sell off. Because they on Jamaica walk by, so make sure so the forward. When you see it, you can park up in the car, nobody not for soon. Just drive around, park up in the car and just come by. While a vibe with you and your friend them, bring a little catty and just easy. You understand? Blessings. You want me teacher, big up, hear that? That is it, man. One love. Sit there and seat right so you can sit down and just go easy. No joke. And we are in that and blast the Jamaican spot them. What you mean? Every business people, big up on yourself. We are go through and we are showcase and people have to know. If you don't know, say that, you're not going to know if you come by. You understand? That is it. As we go through. Yeah, man. Jamaica nice. As we move through. Where's the Jamaica nice? We just want to live, brother. Yeah, man. What you mean? Figure that. We outside. Yeah, me teacher. Man, I see me reach now. See it there. See the what? So massive earlier. Me not perfect. Hold on, let me see what I go on there now. See me come to turn up the place now, you know. You understand? So massive a while ago, me reach down and say, yes, I come buy my food. I was on the radio. If me could have turned on the radio a little bit, me talk about that hot spot here. Me turn up the place here massive. Alright, yes, I come buy my food a while ago. Me I tell you this is a normal chop. I was on the radio there. Me gonna turn it down a little bit, me load up the place here. Yeah. No joke, no doubt, massive. Me could talk about that spot here now. So me eat my lunch and my belly full. So listen, me massive, me touching it down a years a while ago. And before me start, me did hungry. And me I say hungry and beat me. So me just ask around and say, which part of the thing me could have get to a nice piece of food for eat and ready for the walk. And the man say, see over there, so. If you don't come over here, so come buy your food. It don't make sense to buy no food nowhere, you know. Me say, I'm going to test it. So me come across me and my family and buy about 5 food. And me say, massive all the box me nail in there and think I food. You understand? And I ask me, and I tell you no. You see all them chair here? Mr. Lexi sit down now in the chair and I take me have to take up a shovel more I use it take her off. We get up and make we left a place. Because we chair them comfortable. Look on them now, man. The chair them have the sponge and the long back. So you can fall down and eat them sweet food. Don't sit down until you start eat because if you sit down you don't go and get up. You understand? Look good now, man. The place and the food them are run from board like what? See all the price. Because I want to buy one small one and I tell you say, I'm glad I want small one to buy so I can buy 2 big ones for carry home. Look good now, man. Everything there. You understand? I buy a fried chicken and rice and peas. And I say, look like a general, just take up a whole life vegetable and cut them up and put it on my plate. Like I want farm. I farm the back there. So I get them a vegetables so fresh. Yeah, you just go in the back and pick them and cut them up and give me. Feed that man. Massive, I have to turn up the place, sir. Are you? I lock them, I preserve going on your yard. You understand? I tie whole community. Big up yourself, my general. Yeah, man, the fried chicken, the rice and peas, everything shot a while ago, you know. I guess I'm going to put on a little pork gravy. Lord Jesus and peace, massive. See place here. Yeah, where's the Lee restaurant? Yeah, man. Right out of E Square, massive. You can't miss it. Yeah, so anyway, massive, and I sell me something. When me eat that just a while ago. And I say, when me eat that, I say I eat. So I know say before me even cook no dinner look more. Right, so we come buy food for carry home. Look at the place nice and clean. My friend, so you don't clean right around the clock? And somebody step out your wipe. Can see there and my footprint them in the shop you know. Look good. See all the bin over there, so you eat a throw away box if you don't eat it. You understand? No joke thing, man. See there? Right there, so. No joke. Place clean and fresh and thing fun and blow cool like ice. Look good. Yeah, man. So me end up some blast. So massive when I fall out of years, make sure to stop right there, so. Check out the food, check out the spot. Take time with the pepper and the ketchup, you understand? You understand? Because a while ago, every minute, I see when people come and buy this, I empty out the ketchup like, and the pepper like it different. I don't understand. You understand? So big up on yourself, mad love, mad respect. We walk through Jamaica, walk by here. Bless it. When me dolly there, one dolly in there, you know, when time I tell her, I go forward back in and she put on her dark glass, look at she disappear. And what she got? One browning. Be sure me see one browning right as a two, you know. She got home. Alright then, big arrow for me. You have to tell her I'm forward, yeah? Alright, mad love. Look for the place, man. Clean and nice, man. I just want to eat. Remember me telling you. Big up my general. One love. Outside, look good. Yeah, man, see place here. Lee's Restaurant and Jerk, look good. You no can't miss a place here, look good now, man. Lord have mercy, I say food sweet like a drink. Yeah, me say me have thought in a while ago. Yes, man, them hot. They hot, man. No joke, no doubt, massive. You understand? Look good. Right out of ear square with it. I go on easy, big up all my ears massive. So, I be things I go on there so too. Mr. Jerk, man. Blessings and love, respect. Where's you and Glitzer? How you mean? Where's every day there? John no star, big up man and respect. When I see we having the leg and tie and thing, it's well seasoned down. I smell all the season burn from the grill. Nicely done. How you mean? I have a corn soup over here, so.
Yeah, boiled corn.
Boiled corn, big up and respect here, mad love. So massive seat there. If your father is, if you're past, you make sure you stop and support the business them. You understand? The people them just clean. See there, you don't see no trash, you don't see nothing. You understand? That is it. Look good. Me always love out of that place. Here are some nice people over here, so big up on yourself. Me not in my video, you know, special a bit and be a thing. Blessings and love, you understand? That is it. But general, we are match up to.
And some soup there.
Some soup. You say mobile kitchen. Blouse and skirt. Yeah, and that me I say, smoke a go on a chump like a buffalo. What kind of soup you have in iPad? Cow skin and chicken foot. Lord of mercy. Cow skin mixed with the chicken foot. Me teacher, you are driving car careful when you go home here. Can call like a trouble in iPad. Jesus, who tell you? Oh, you be the man, I'm mobile kitchen, look at the man. Machine. Yeah, how that? That is it, my general man. Go and do it, man. Lord of mercy, aye. Circle. That is it, man. One love. Big up here, my teacher, respect. Yeah, listen, man, you have to cool down with them chicken and cow skin mixtures there, you know.
No, the girl, them mad feet, man.
The girl, them mad feet.
Yeah, they say they want
Whole heap of baby.
It's a boss baby, man.
Jesus, how much youth you got?
Me?
Yeah.
Me done with them or something long, man. I do youth them me have to take up now. Me done with baby thing now.
How much picnic, how much?
Beating me get?
Yeah.
Me get around 5.
Round 5?
Aye.
Blouse and skirt is a killer. Looking at iPad, man. Lord of mercy. Hey, watch your gumption, man. Jesus, peace. Easy with them. You understand me? Me gone 2 and me no want no more, so I'm afraid to drink all that right now. Because we go drink that and they gonna show me a different picture, you know?
Make them muscle tight, you know, them pump.
Yeah, tight. Let's say me have to buy 2 soup. Alright, where's the drink soup yet? How much money that him give you? What? A whole heap of sitting him by. Don't worry yourself, man. That is it, man. How you mean? What you want soup? Number 1, so I in there, so I go buy me dinner, you know.
Yeah.
Me dinner buy in there, so I go do ketchup stomach, yeah, so.
Yeah.
You not move the kitchen.
No.
You not move the kitchen. So by the time me done walk down the side, kitchen still there, so. Alright, how you mean, man? That is it, man. How you mean? Look good now, man. Royal equipment. You saying skirty down? Look there, man. Driving kitchen. Yeah, but me have to go careful, you know, because me not normally, so me probably have to put on one shoes tonight. Yeah, because you can't, but you're not going to go, you know, because I told you that I'm afraid right now, because they expect 5. I need a 5, eh? I'm a good Roman list. Alright, big up yourself, you have a vibe. Big up every time. A Jamaica walk by, one love. You hear me, teacher? Blessings from blessings. See it there? That is it. Yo, wait, does that come off firework?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. How much you got? You didn't even want to talk. Man, I drink too much ice soup, brother. How much you got?
They got 2.
You got 2. Well, that's not bad still. We're on mutual grounds, you know? Yeah, man, we're good with that. Me don't want to ask him, you know, say, look. I'm afraid to ask him. Because him look like him born in the hero when time baby I give it. Because my grandmother, they have 9 and 10 and 12 and 11, you know. Me know me now. What how much I got?
I mean, if I'm 2 enough, me need
2 enough. Yeah. So big up and respect, man. So, you don't know, Jamaica Walk By is a channel that we walk around all a vibe, talk to the people them, you know what I mean, showcase people business, you understand? So I think about the channel is a lot of persons where migrate and go and foreign and see about them place for years. You can imagine Vere Technical down the road. You can imagine much millions of people pass through Vere Tech. We gone about the place, gone live. So when they see all the man walk around and talk and show the place. Yeah, see it? Right, I'm growing to go video. You understand? So I must see them from back in the days. I say, right, this is school. You see, they look on the school and now. We are going to show them a new one. You understand? Then you guys will run this up. See it? So that's the channel is about. So all drone shot, we do all the drone shots so people will see what go up on the ground and see what look from the air, you understand? Yeah. So we walk go straight down the road video Vere and all type of things and just hold back our energy and just preach peace and love, you know what I mean? Because I have an idea, you know, a life over all things in a family. You understand? Yeah. Because guess what? Everything what you see also, everyone I wish I'll pass, Leffy. Yes. You understand? So, yeah man. See it? Yeah.
Probably them just see the nice.
What me I tell you?
Probably next year in the come one plaza.
One plaza there. So you have to just make sure say we happy in our time. Yeah man, that's how we have to do it, my friend. Yeah, we can't just miserably every day and just. Yeah man, it never be a giant. You understand? And that now happen. So we have to just feel light in ourselves, free ourselves and enjoy we look at time, you know? You understand? Yeah man, because let me share a true story now. Me have an uncle me call like my father. Him just passed away like about 2 weeks ago. You understand? And you see in a full family, and that is the man who planned everybody funeral. Him is a JP too. So the man they make sure say, all if him even remember you, him talk to your family and say, oh, are you? And him sign up a document, indeed you're good in a community man. And him pass away the other day. I tell her say, you know what the thing what that show me say? If I that the man that used to organize everybody in a family with death, like make a family come together, get the funeral service do, and him a teacher. So him pass away, that sure says a road for every man. You understand? And see him nice house and vehicle, everything left for my yard. So me can clearly say him live a good life. You understand? That's something I want to live one time. My time come for me go on. Me can say at least we did happy. Yes. You understand? Yeah, yes. You did happy. So I some believe in our life. See? So our blessings, our respect, more riches, more health, more strength. You understand? And more sweet food over here. So come here, me touch a 5 penny. Our blessings and love, man. Respect, man. See? That is it, man. Oh yeah. Me see all the place over there, say no. I mean that one for Mr. Chin over there. No, Mr. Chin. Yeah, man. Where's that? Black man want it. Let me now go over there, man. Let me go over there, man. Oh, you mean? Make we do it like this. I want to check out that spot. If I say a black man want it, you know where chap go, man. Look good. Look good. Alright, so then say I'm not Chinese one here. But big up all like Chinese them see away. But you see my black one business them, we have to endorse and blast them. You understand? So before me actually start work, alright, that's how my father come buy me juice and thing. Then big up yourself, my friend, good evening. Evening. So, yeah. Big up to all my Jamaican them we are run business. So, alright, that's how I buy my juice them and thing a while ago. Right prices and things. So massive you can come check out the shop here. Right out at A Square. Nice good people them working there. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You understand? Taste the energy and thing. You can't miss it. Look good. Make sure you check out the plaza and support the wholesaler. Big up to our black owned business them and thing. You know what I mean? One love, one respect. So, you see me? Alright, take care again, you hear me, teacher? That is it, man. How you mean? Look good. Out of ears. You understand? Support. Blessings, my teacher. Big up. Look good. How you mean? As you walk through, no joke, no doubt. Massive, if you watch thus far and you not subscribe yet, do me a bigger subscribe. See our next clean play. One thing we done here, done here clean your friend. Look, as far as me can look, I don't see a trash. I don't see a trash. The place clean. This look like a one nice lounge and village over here, so. My friend, we can go turn up a little spot here and Jamaica walk by. I want to talk with somebody. Oh, place look nice and thing, man. Look good now, man. I don't know this spot here. Look good, massive. Somebody point me to over here so I can come over here. So see there? Place to sit down and eat and thing, mad thing. One dolly in there too, you know. Yes, sir. No joke. Step on the phone, my friend. Alright, me go and showcase this spot here. That is it. Yeah. Me go check out a little spot here. And then we'll talk to the dolly as to how over here set up. Nice and thing. Yeah, man. So over here so look like you can keep your party and them little thing there. You understand? Yeah. Nice. Beautiful. So as you can see, this is so nice. Very modern look. You know what I mean? As you can see, them have eat food. So over here says actually the catering spot. Nice and thing. Beautiful. I didn't know this spot. Alright. Can watch a TV up there while you eat and thing. I like the black. You know what I mean? Yeah. And you have the restroom over there, so I can turn up that spot. Big up my teacher. No, I see you. That is it, man. Respect. Yeah, nicely done. You understand? See there? Place you can park and thing, you can eat over there, you can keep a function around here. Nice backyard type of thing, well fenced around and thing. You don't know separate from all of the things. If you want, you can see a piece of mango tree hang down over a spot, so when the mango they ripe, you can pick them. Yeah, I like a spot here. Yeah, massive. So you know, upon Jamaica walk by, you just forward and tell them, say Jamaica walk by and see spot pan. You understand? And check it out. Nice. Beautiful. Nice little spot here so for the kids. If you for the little kids, your kids them can go and exercise them muscles, they can go and swing them same way. There's a hammock over there too as well. It's a very good idea for you out here, someone. You understand? Oh, you mean? Yeah, my teacher, big up and respect here. Jamaica walk by, you understand? Mad. This is nice, man. Yeah. Right out of 8 square massive. So you can just drive in, park, and just check out. There's a bar at the front. So you can check out the bar. Music is playing and stuff like that. So you definitely can have some fun in here, get all of your nice juice them for drink. But darling, take care here. Big up. Yeah. She actually on the phone, so I'm not disturb her. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Oh, you mean? Look good. Yeah. As we move through on Jamaica walk by. What a love, what a vibe. Yeah. So I'm a massive I used to walk this stretch from them a kid till now. Yeah, one love. All them years there and thing. No joke, no doubt as we move through. What is over here? Over here look like the post office. Is it the post office? Let's take a look. Yeah, so massive if you are watching. Good evening. This is the post office, right? Alright. It's Jamaica walk by. I'm just doing an episode on A's. Alright, blessings and love, alright? Cool. Yeah, this is the post office. It's really nice. I bet so massive. One thing with A's, you can tell this place is very clean. Like very clean, super clean. You don't see trash on them thing there no way. Yeah, that's nice. Let's go through. And here we have the police station. So this is the Hayes Police Station. Yeah, man. Yeah, my teacher. Big up, respect. Seal it now, man. Jamaica walk by, you understand? Yeah, man. Blessed. You know it, chap? Yeah, man. Respect, man. That is it. Big up every time. Outside, hear that? Mad thing. So right, so we have the Hayes Police Station. You understand? Pretty clean too. Very big parking and all of that. But darling, Jamaica walk by, me can't talk to you a little bit. Big up yourself, man. Beautiful ladies, no shiner, man. How you have a look at daughter school back for your back? Let me give your Instagram a shout out. You on Instagram? Come in, man. Darling, you know you fancy. Make some people turn up your Instagram, man. Tell me something nice about ears. Tell me something nice about down here. Vere Tech you used to go to? Yeah, we say lovely school. That is it, man. Big up yourself. Touch it. And seal it. Big up. Zine. Outside bad. Figure that. Yeah. We're there massive. As we go through. Outer years. We'll land them agenda. Outer years with them. Yeah. Yeah, my teacher, manners. see. Yes, so we have a wholesale too, you understand? All them building are there for a decade, man. You catch this? Mad thing. Outside. Yeah. Blouse and skirt, them have to cross the road, man. Nah, man, I have to cross the road, man. It's a Jamaica walk by, me no pass them and sit there, man. Lord of mercy. But see, look what man have in that jerk, man, to blouse and skirt. What Lord, man? Massive, look what man have in that jerk, man. Let me close up. You call this chicken neck. You have chicken neck, chicken back. Look there, man. Right on the card. Hey, one thing with, hey, on a clean door, you. Me nah go around, you know. Eh? Look up on them sitting and look like they just buy. Eh? Them a chicken neck, you fat and juicy, man. So massive, you see me, you know. They say you serve them, I will whole heap of ketchup and thing. Yes, Jesus Christ. Look good now, man. All of them look at ends and I want to circle when we finish. You're not going tonight, man. I go on only ends. Yes, man. That is it, man. Look good. I like how you keep the place clean and nice. Whole heap of water and all them things. So, massive, you see it on Jamaica walk by and just know, say, alright, you say them to stop. You understand? Yeah, my teacher. Big up and respect, man. Where say money gun? Yeah, man, money gun. I need money gun. Yeah, man, hey, you need to put up a sign for you, man. Look no, man. Cheese and peace, man. The sign for the pan, man. Yeah, my teacher. Well done and big up here that me so circle here, you know. That is it, man. Look good. Chicken neck, chicken back. You see it? Holy, see our next, which ends is over here, sir? Shop and thing. It look festive. We have to go over there. I want to have them free that camera. Big up every time. Blessed, blessed, blessed. Let me hold on the camera first, because I know someone probably afraid that camera. Me like to just showcase the whole Jamaica. Big up and respect Jamaica Walk by YouTube channel. You understand? I do an episode on ears. We just walk through a show love and thing and just showcase the business them and all of them thing there. Free advertisement right across the world. Blessings, me general. Big up. You mind telling me what kind of shop this? Like what the sell so I can get some customer come cross. Lord of mercy. Me see water, me see everything. Hello, miss. Good day. Blessings and respect. Me see, you give me a nice smile. Me like it. Yeah. Hello. Me like it, man. Blessings, man. So right now, I could turn up that shop here. I could turn up the shop. I want to go and say, I see whole heap of nice. You go liquor, I see water. What do? No buy all empty bucket to and them things. That look good now, man. Alright, so big up yourself. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk by YouTube channel. You understand? We're on Instagram, we're on TikTok, we're on YouTube. Yeah, Jamaica Walk by. So we walk by and just showcase all of the dolly them in the street. Big up the general them, we showcase all of the business them, make them get rich. Okay. You understand? We sell all the way. What's artists too? All artists? What? No artists are there. When they? What you say? Artists they are. Hold on, man. Let me plug him in, man. Hold on, man. A whole heap of artists we send viral in a man. That's right. Where's a bad artist? Bad if you see a bad artist in a bad artist, you know. You understand? Alright, so listen me now. Give me a song.
You can get 2 lines.
Yeah, 2 lines, 1, 2 tune, man. Give me 2 tune.
You can't get 2 tune, you can get 2 lines.
Give me 2 lines then.
Ready now.
In the middle. In the middle.
Yeah.
In the middle. In the middle. Jibble, jibble. In the middle. Knock the ball. Knock the ball. 2 pass. In the middle. In the middle. In the middle. Knock the ball. Knock the ball. Now go to tongue. Now go to tongue. Now go to tongue and grab up your neck. Now go to tongue.
Where's my vice master boy? Big up yourself and that special.
Listen.
Hey, how much is special? How much is special? Let me go pay for your next special.
Alright, I mean.
Hey, I'm gonna pay for your special, man.
Listen. Your next one.
Where's that? Hold on, I'm gonna beat a table. Let me see if the table give me a sound. Alright, see you drum me now, you know.
Bleach them a bleach, them a bleach, them a bleach. Bleach them a bleach, I know them can't reach. Bleach them a bleach, I know them can't reach. Go talk about like a dove a mud pan beach. And get a holly color, when name like a peach. Mix up acid land with the beach. And gaggle in your mouth and change it.
Easy! Yeah. Where's that? You 2 artists too?
Yes.
Ready? You can't make sure you ride the rhythm?
Yeah. Them say me are the artist, but me are the smartest. Well, tell me now, me come to me to tell me of the future, that a computer. Girl companies under me is a visitor, girl always come. One for me corner, one send to me now, and one marijuana. Them say, Hans man, where you are the one, and me want party, when I do one Altichana.
Wee, Lord! Easy, man. You don't know same bad too, man. The artist this too. You understand? So my friend, big up for yourself, man. What special there? Me say how much you pay for that special there? 2 bills? Lord have mercy, man. Oh gosh, man. I pay for him special. Make him go and drink. You understand? Yeah, my friend. Same special there. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. So what is spot name? Let me turn up my spot there. What is sign there? Oh, D&G Grocery. You understand? The writers of the artists, them, they write at D&G Grocery. E&E. E&E. Sorry, my corrections. E&E Groceries with the bad jerk man out there. So we have a chicken neck, have a chicken back and all of them good things they right there. So cause me love them things there now. When they come to the bony part of the chicken, I mean that. Yes. No joke. Look what we're there. A mad love and mad respect, man. A great energy, a great vibe. And we are walk through from way up on top, so we are forward from us. A whole vibe, you know. You understand? So you can see that video up on Jamaica walk by. You understand? What you say?
Money tree.
Money tree? What you say?
Money tree.
I say your name, Money tree?
Yeah.
Figure that. You man take a look at Richards, man. Give me a look blessing, man. Oh. By this weekend, man. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Search feed right about now and subscribe. Make we catch it live there. Jamaica walk by.
No, you can't.
Dali, look how you come out. Look there. Shots and sit down. Are you give me? Here we do. Give me your Instagram so they can see Dali good. You understand? Yeah, Jamaica walk by. I'm gonna see your Instagram. Let me catch your Instagram. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. And you can follow me there. Yeah, the top one there. So that is my page. You have to shot me a message so I can find a page. I'm a story you gone pan.
I'm not feel me follow you.
Yeah man, you follow me and then
where you come from?
Clarendon, yeah man.
What's Clarendon?
Sandy Bay side.
I say I want to become like more they follow you.
Oh yeah man. But you have to subscribe to the YouTube too. Because I put this on YouTube. Yeah, you can click that, my page will come up same way. Yes, on my channel that same way, so you can just click all this right there so and just go straight to the channel. Come here, I make you subscribe, you know. So yeah, close this and you just jump on the channel and you can see exactly and you subscribe. Click, yes, that is it. You understand? So by this weekend you'll see the video too as well and thing. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, one love to E&E Grocery. Yeah man, I mean, oh you see the carnival one, that was me. A mad thing man, a one love and one energy. Hey, she have a vibe, you see? Yo, go on. You're on Instagram too?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? I could turn up your Instagram.
Savage_Sashko.
Savage_Sasko?
Sashko.
Shashko.
Sashko.
Oh, Sashko. That is it, man. I have to make sure you come out in a shorts and bathing. Big up yourself, man. Go through, man. Yeah. You see how you put him on the spot, you put him on the spot too. Oh, you mean? Make sure you subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. See? Bless up yourself. You hear that? Go through. Big up. We are going down the road again.
Yeah,
artist. What's your name again?
Money tree.
Money tree. Frenzy Friday. Down the road. Down the way I go. Mad thing. Look more. Outside. See there. Look good. E&E Groceries. Check out the spot. No joke, no doubt. See there? That is it. And you see a great vibe and great energy. No joke. Outside as we move through. Yeah man, as we move through. Wow, Lionel Town is a vibe. So all of this is actually Lionel Town road without our ears. You understand? No joke, no doubt. It's just a vibe. It's just a great experience. The people so far is just great. And I'm loving it. You understand? I'm loving it. Wow, a lot of land space and thing. So we enjoy the walk as we go through. Yeah man. Blessed. Jamaica Walk By. Me a big gonna look subscribe to the channel to Zane. Jamaica Walk By. How are the ends also? How are the ends? That is, we can video tour the market. Oh, but you know me never see my teacher. I say you move, you camouflage man. Yeah massive, it look like I market this thing, because everything me I see is from fruits. Look like I from a pin to an anchor there. Look good now man. Figure that. Look good. You don't know. Massive, you can't have places like this without the food. Without the fresh produce. See all corner? Look good. Nah, man, I lie. Big up every time, man. How you mean? So, alright, that's why I market there every day. How you mean brawling? So massive man say, look, right out of ears, you don't know square up there, so. If you about that area, you never know, say man, I sell all of them things right. So now you know from breadfruit, we are talking about Irish, we are talking about yam, we are talking about sweet. What is a sweet Irish potato right there, so cucumber. When you don't know some market, my mother selling there, so you know me know all of them things like me a real countryman. You understand? I play with it. I hears me a selling a market, so I know the chap go. Look good. How you mean? Punk in everything, you so. Cool spot. How you mean? So big up every time, respect the channel at Jamaica walk by, you understand? Yeah, hey. Yeah, but I send a road, you know. You live with a woman, come here, go make your Instagram go up on the screen, you know. So a woman then can slide in your DM, you know, cause that style of hot and that look swag something here. Bossy boy settings. Yeah, your businessman on the Instagram. Yeah, why your Instagram go? Listen me, you see on Jamaica walk by, me tell you a channel go. You see, I remember be hot girl them in the street. The man them cuss me say, yo, you have to take a girl them IG. But guess what me know? You said that me see man them. The woman them I say, oh, you never take the general Instagram so I can chat him a DM. You understand? Why me don't want to send the Jamaicans them to foreign. You understand? The other day me there out of Bob Marley Beach and the general say, well, I'm video me man and put up Instagram make two white then can lock me off and take me out of Jamaica no. The general link me what they from foreign and say they are foreign. They say, well, man say, no, so a white girl link me and I say, oh my God, I like you. And man say, foreign me there, no, so me just love her half. American man there right now are living best life. Yeah, bro. So you don't do anything, go. Ella, big up yourself, too, no? Why you find Instagram, so all of your bridging them from school days. We're going to see and say, then, wait, nothing than that. I'll give you back a link and connect you back to your world, because I'm sure that's a whole bridging where you probably don't see for years. I remember you. Yeah, man. Say it again. Belly_Dan. Big up every time, man. I want things, seal it. Big up, love and respect. Outside with it. So, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, me there on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. See? So, all of the ladies, them name Belly_Dan on Instagram. You'll see it on the screen. So, you can shut him at DM, all I'm bridging them for all the years. So, you can link him and say, no, belly that. How you mean? Outside me there. Blessing me, G. Wait, I will that shot this. No, man, you can't do them big nice building. You don't want to get videos so people can know say money around there, so man. You don't want some money around there, so. In general, afraid that camera, no, man. Watch you, no, man. Listen to me. You know long me, I want a welder. What they want a welder, me can't. We don't know who to call for a welder. You understand? A board me for abuse the place. And see there, eh? Imagine the bidder watch all a video like this. Look at the man. Look up on them sitting here. What you say? Are you a welder too? Some man are going to want to look up on them bossy work you know want to showcase and sit, man. No bother with that chop here, man. So massive, hold on, so a two get this. A two. So just make it in a wonder where everything look identical. What a smart move, man. Not even me didn't know so them do them sitting here. So massive as you can see, look good. So they make the two gate one time. That way everything look exactly the freaking same. Oh, me never think about this here. Because sometimes I say, oh, then get the gate, them look identical. That's not hard, man. Look at this. So it's like they make a frame, like them tack it together, make a frame, and then just do all of the bending and curving all together at once. So the gate them will look identical and have the same measurement and thing. I wish genius do this, yeah. Are you? I went in last and skirt this a mad thing, bro. You see? That's why man we get paid for them trade because me would never do this. Go see me make one gate and the pan right it, me have to make the next gate. Or me will get this up. You see me get one I gate a V and one of them a X. Yeah. Yeah. So right that's all. See that? Talk about it. Give me a number, man. Which well I want a number of people then can call, man, and say, you know me there up the road, me there for Uni, you know. And me never know say, Uno do this, you know. Uno have to give out a number, brother. Alright, massive. So if you further years, just further years, then the right hand one big architrave so I go easy back. You understand? You the blind if you don't see it. Call me no know. So me the road here and me want a nice well like I can show you, man, never need your fret. Me I turn up right over one of the grill. And you can't see the next one, it look like a shadow. Look them, man. Mad thing, brother. For you see them I work and I just treat them man I learn. When I go to school, see it? Can't tell. Look on this. A mad thing, man. Blessings and respect. When you hear that? Saying one love. This is so unique. I'm in shock. I never know that. I learned something today. At least I can apply something as I learn. Big up, see? Respect. That is it. Massive, you know me always I wonder, so how do I get the two gate them? We look exactly same. That's a hard piece of work. You just flip them up. Yo, Jano. A mad thing, man. We are got you. Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Look good. Outside with it. Nice church over there. And thing. Look on a place here now. Oh, you mean? I have no idea which place is this, but yeah. Watch us. Your next clean ends up. One thing without them a place. You can't take it from them. There's a church over there. Yeah. You can't take it from them, the places. What? So you don't know it's a party over here so tonight. Jaja know. Oh, you mean? I don't know which ends this. So you have a bunch of things going over here so too. Lord have mercy. Blessed, blessed, blessed. Well, Lord, before I put the camera that way here, I'm Fabian from Jamaica walk, but I know we just do an episode from the entire year. So we are walk from way up so and we are done the stretch. The general me pass a while ago, I know say me see this a spot and I that dumb if me not come talk about over here so. You understand me I say? You can see it, you can see the special edition hot spot. Look good now, man. The teacher, what you have today? We see rice and peas, what I put them? Goat, chicken, pork. We say everyday settings are weekend thing.
No, I just have a party.
Oh, it's a party I go on? Yeah. Rock store, now you mean, man? Where's the party name? Frenzy?
Yeah.
Figure that. Nice and easy. Oh, you mean? Look good. Blessed me teacher, respect. That is it. Yeah, fire. Where's the chef for today? Big up every time and a Jamaica walk by, you know? Okay. Oh, you mean? No joke. Oh, you mean? Massive. So then says a party. Them friends over there so today. And thing. Blessed, blessed. Look good. Yeah, so you have grab a plate restaurant over there, so. Let us see if we can see what I go on. Let us see what I go on. Oh, you mean? Blessed, blessed, respect. Yeah. Let me see on the other side. One heap of music I play, but we are going through the same way. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, we don't do that spot. Grab a plate. What? Nice. Oh, you mean? Grab a plate. Blessed, good evening, good evening. Big up, love and respect. I'm Fabian from Jamaica walk by. You know me, I do an episode for the whole of years, you know? So I just showcase a nice business, them make people them can see what down here. So you know, more advertisement, more money I gonna make, don't it? Yeah. That is it. I personally never know so one spot there around here, so I make sure I walk come around here, we're gonna see what I go on. Because I see Trisha's sip and chat bar over there, so I go see why it's there, so are you spot this? Oh well, are you lucky? Big up yourself. Let me seal it. Mad love, mad respect. That is it. Whoa, hot spot here now. Look good now, man. I hear that we run off in there now. Lord have mercy. We could talk about that spot here. Look good. Oh, you mean? So massive. Look good. Look how the place set up. Nice and clean, man. Look good now, man. All like top shelf. Look at them. So that one name, welcome to Sky's Sports Bar. I like the artwork in at the top and thing. Look good. Cozy and nice. So, thanks for coming. Please come again. Oh, you mean? Look good. Top shelf liquor and beer things in a nice fan and blow cool and thing. Look good. So I don't know about the spot around us. Around us are normally look like the ends where you can just easy for the look of chick and you just go and drink, have a look of vibe with your friends and all of that. That's nice. Love it. Beautiful and clean and spacious. Very, very spacious. So yeah, man, nicely done. You know we have to check out the thing then. Big up every time again. It's Jamaica walk by. You know? My restaurant don't mess up. Lord. Up on the spot and make sure it's on the forward. Yeah, so look good. See there? Mad. Skies. Figure that. Look over here so you know. Well on them man. Blessed. Oh, it's a restaurant. One thing massive, and you can't take it from them place. A place clean. Place them clean and nice. Look, you know see trash and them thing the pan ground. Look if I lie, me I tell. Me I tell you the truth. Look good. So this is a nice restaurant. Me not see nobody stay, but the place open and it a go on. Me not see no name. Oh yeah, see there. Grab a plate restaurant. No joke, no doubt. Oh you mean? Yeah. Big me see something. Big up yourself, my friend. Me didn't see you, you know. One love. Yeah man. Yeah. I want to go on over here so tonight. Yes, man, say one part, a frenzy. So in here, I say hot party, look more. Also, when I go? Yeah, man. Yeah. A kickstart and thing, nice vibe. So, me actually walk and video, talk to people, hold back a vibe, showcase people business from a pin to an anchor. Jerk, man, jerk chicken, this, that. So $1 there you put, you can't go there, you know. Me have a pan and me put them in there, you understand? You see it? No, $1. Because here what? You see, let me take you up. See that yeah? See that? Because guess what? You see if somebody think them bad and want to give me 999 of this, I'm going to throw this upon it, me have $1 million. Yeah. So we're outside, you come out good though. Shots and clean off on the day, yeah. How you mean? Yeah. Dolly, clean skin. You're there on Instagram? Can get Instagram a shout out? What's your Instagram? Sexy underscore. Cherish. Oh, cherish. Oh, say sexy underscore cherish. That is it. Look good. And Dolly settings look good. Because guess what? I see me not do it. He will have man them customer and say, you couldn't take our Instagram. And then you could have friends from back in the days when I see for a long time. I say, then I cherish that. That is it, don't it? You know the Instagram too? No TikTok. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Which part the all there? Me say if you show me all, no. Me show you say lie at it.
You see gray here?
Where? Wait. Look for the old lady. Look like you just left for the hairdresser. Yeah. Big up yourself, you hear that? What's your name again? Cherry. Oh, Terry. Yeah. That's one nice to play, we have to make sure, you know. Yeah. My name is Fabian, you know. Jamaica walk by.
Oh, Jamaica walk by.
Yeah. Blessings and love. Wanna take care, yeah?
Yeah.
That is it. One love. The massive place, nice and thing. Look good. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, you mean? Big party over here, so look up more. And thing, place nice and clean over here, so look good. Yeah. A mad thing. A mad thing. Yeah. So over there, some friends they look more. Yeah, you mean? Hold on, make you see me can go over there. Yeah. All right. Blessed me General. Fabian from Jamaica walk by. He's a YouTuber, you know. So we just have to go an episode for years. We show them all of the happenings for years, you know. Yeah. So somebody tell me something, come over here, so come over here, so frenzy. You understand? So we have a showcase what I go on, you know. Look good. Oh, 14! Right. And that you realize, it's a una friends you look more. That's it. Mad move. That look good. So massive friends you look more. Friends you look more. That is it, man. Big up yourselves, eh? Martin, big up, big up. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Yeah, massive as you go through. Yeah, massive as you go through. John no star. Boy, me think some other just do one little walk. But boy, there's so much thing on a little stretcher. You see, me know that's other place are nice. Oh almighty, and we not reach down a Vere Tech, the Vere Tech down the road. You understand? Yeah. So massive, right about now we are come up to Hayes Primary. So it usually be Hayes Primary and Junior High, so it's now Hayes Primary alone. You know what I mean? There's no more Junior High over there. So this is it. Look good. No joke, no doubt. Oh, you mean? Good evening. Blessed, blessed. Yeah. Jamaica. So there you go. So this is Hayes Primary and Junior High, but now Hayes Primary. You understand? Look good. Take a look. You can probably look on the drone shots them and see what the school look like. See it? So the sign on the wall is Hayes Primary and Infant School. You understand? And their motto over there is aim high and what I can't make out what down there so. And choose wisely. And what's the next thing? Can't make out that word there. Yeah. If it's preserve or can't see it. But yeah, massive. That is it. That's the school over there. Check it out. You can see from the drone shot them how beautiful. And this school is massive. It's massive. It's a big school. You know what I mean? Very big school. So big up to all the principal, the teachers, and all them people over there, making sure that the kids are being educated and all of the great good stuff as we move to down the road. A while ago the sun, a cloud just blocked the sun, which is just great. You know what I mean? I love that. The sun just blocked, the cloud just blocked the sun as we move through. So a while ago up at the party there, you know later on, the party there named Frenzy. I got there, so you see me? No joke, no doubt. As we move through. Look good now, man. Yeah, man. So we are walk. Woo! It's been great. Yeah, man, it's been great. As we move through, we're up on the gas pedal. Yeah. Yes, youths, big up. Yeah, man. So this is Lionel Town Road out of Hayes if you're just a join. You understand? Yeah. Bad machine. Look good. Woo. So we are walk massive. Welcome to Jamaica Walk By if you just a join. See? We have A's Baptist Church over there, Jamaica Baptist Union. Center camera as we move through. Yo, me said the sun did a pelt a while ago. But a massive cloud over there just block the sun. So me get a break. How lovely. As we move through, we can get little coolings, you know. As we move through. Woo! Oh yes! Now my time to sing a tune to you know. Got to big up every time again. Oh, see it there? That is it. Got to tell you how you draw me, yes. Ever since the day you came into my life, now baby, I am lonely and I want somebody. I am lonely, yes, it's so amazing to belong. Follow you to the moon and the sky above. Yes, oh yes, well, sing it again. Got to tell you how you draw me, yes. Ever since the day you came into my life, now baby, oh I am lonely and I want somebody. I am lonely, yes, it's so amazing to be alone. Follow you to the moon and the sky above. Whoa, na 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 na, yes. Top Farm Sports Bar over there. Oh yes, wheel. Yeah, massive as we move through. You don't know a little article vice of the one Jamaica Walk By as we go through. Yeah. Them always say me can bust a look at one piece of tune as you walk through. Me always make everybody else DJ and sing and me don't want to sing. You know what I mean? I'm not sure what is over here. But yeah, we are go through. Sing. My thing. Woo! As we go through. Oh, why does my heart go on beating? Oh, why does the sea rush to shore? Don't they know it's the end of the world? And you don't love me anymore. Oh, why does the sun go on shining? See, I have some clothes and thing over there. Why do these eyes of mine cry? It's don't they know it's the end of the world? It ended when you say goodbye. I wake in the morning and I wonder why everything is the same as it was. I can't understand, no I can't understand why life goes on the way it goes. Oh, why does my heart go on beating? Oh, why do these eyes of mine cry, cry? Oh, don't they know it's the end of the world? It ended when I lost your love. What the man say, what? does my heart go on beating? Sure. Why do these eyes of mine cry? It's down there, you know. It's the end of the world. So yeah, we just reach out a gas station. Yeah. That was a little singing intermission by your truly. Jamaica walk by as we do it. Yeah, many people don't know, so I used to be a singer. Well, I keep on saying used to be a singer. I still sing, but I just don't do it professionally anymore. You understand? Right now we're walking. I go and burn up the legs to them. You understand? Yeah, singing never do it for me. But we surely are walking and I make it happen. Alright, so I'm going to see which gas station this over here, so now. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. That's Mirage Service Center. Yeah. So this is the only petrol station we see so far down this side. So make sure so you get a top up here. So if you never did, guys, it's the only one of its kind, boy. You understand? Yeah. Look good. Me see I look pon the boy, Jamaica walk by here, my friend. You may beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See? You just look at you not answer me. You not answer me. Idali. Yeah. Big up yourself. As we go through. Yeah, massive. Without a yes. Lionel Town Road. Oh, you mean? As we go through. So massive, you know, Vere Technical down the road. Big up to all of the superstars them we normally got Vere Technical. Like Sharika Jackson, Veronica Campbell, and all the other greats them we normally go to Vere Technical High School. When you drop in the comment section, all of the greats them we normally go. Vere Technical, all of the big people them, all of the good stuff. As we walk through Ears community, going down to Vere Technical, you understand? Yeah. No joke. As we move through, as we go, yes, yeah, we outside, we did that. O'Neill and Sons funeral limited upon that. Yeah. As we go through, there's a church here as well. Yeah. Outside. So all that massive them wanna see ears for a long time with their ears. Keeping it moving. Yeah. Whew. What a walk. Yeah. So that lane there was 7 Mile Street. Up at top there's a 7 Mile Street. And we are go through here. So I kind of hype up the walking because I don't know. I want to reach down to the Vere Technical High School down the side there. If I don't know the place, I don't know where I'm there right now, so I was so rage. You know. Yeah. There's a plaza right here. Yeah. And now I'm going to showcase all of the hot spot them because over here so look clean still. Yeah, right Francine's Wholesale and thing. And we have over here so too, the water shop and thing. Yeah, man. Yeah. Blessed, blessed. Yeah, big up. Yeah, there's a wholesale over there. And thing, Francine wholesale. Big up on yourself. You know, we are trying down the stretch. I spoke to so much persons, showcase so much things, but never realized I saw the time I fly. So massive, and let's talk about this school. We're talking about the Great Vere Technical High School. That's their football field and track field. So many great persons have run, walked, play football and all those stuff over this great school here in Jamaica, Vere Technical. And I can talk about right now, to see there's some persons over there training like it's track and field. Training over there right now as we walk. So you can look on the drone shots them. Good evening. Evening. You can look on the drone shot them. So this is Vere Technical High School. You understand? Superstar school. You understand? This is Lexi used to go to this school too as well. You know what I mean? Where she did 6th form over there, Vere Technical High School. As I hold up the camera. So all I must even know about out of the school front about they used to come and easy back, linger, take bus, take taxi, all of them good stuff. There is either you go towards Lionel Town side or you go straight towards Maypen Town side to all of them places there. Vere Technical, look good. Who for alma mater this? See the writing on the wall not tell no lie. Look good. Vere Technical. Look good. So we have a sign over here marked International Institution of Science and Technology. You understand? Look good. Practical nursing level 1 to 3. You understand? What are you telling them? Oh, so like some other short over. Yeah, so. But the Great Vere Technical High School, this is what it looks like. So, big up to all of the people that who normally forward at the school here. You understand? Over there is a basketball court and netball court. You have the parking lot. Yeah. You don't know you have the security post there, so too. You don't know. And I say the field you have people that play football, people that train. And over there, so you don't know, is where the person them sell them look tuck shop things, you know, them like sweetie, juice, all sort of same thing where, you know what I mean? Yeah. Look upon the place, you don't know it's a school over and thing. But it's a school where people always do a lot of stuff. Very technical, and I can see what go on. Blessings and respect of security, you don't know. Jamaica walk by doing an episode on the entire ears, you know. Can't pass this school, you no joke. Yeah, man. So, this is it. Vere Technical. Beautiful school. We out by the front, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, all of the people that know say this is our alma mater. When I know so I miss that school, yeah. See the place, yeah. Vere Technical High School. You can check out some of the signs. Yeah, man. Safety first. Yeah. And you have the direction guide here, so clinic, library, auditorium, science block, administrative block, canteen, delivery, all of them good stuff there. And this sign here, let me see if I can just make a little U-turn right there, so yeah. So all of the different areas, they show a little motto here. See it there? Nice. Vere Tech. Nice. They have over here. Look at that. Blessed. Nice initiative. Look at that. Vere Tech Massive. Wow. So big up all that massive and normally go to Vere Tech. Oh, there's another one here. Yeah. Big up all that massive. So you don't know, we're just gonna kick it over here because you know how the school and things stay when it comes down to permission for the school and all of them things there. And sitting. Yeah. You remember them sign here? Nice. use the roadway. Yeah. Vere Tech. That is it. So I heard that this school really has a dental clinic, so here's a sign for it. See it? That there's a dental clinic. There's a sign. I think Lexi did tell me about this is the clinic she used to always attend, which is the dental clinic over here. So the school has its own dental clinic and thing. There's a security up by front, so you know, not really go up on the school compound. You know, school just over still. So let's see, let's just sketch some of the signs and thing. They're technical. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, this mega sign now. Gonna tear up and thing, but we're not gonna be on the gates, cause you know the thing go. Yeah. So yeah, big up to all of the Vere Tech massive, and there's another sign over here. Work experience coordinator. Let me see what the sign say. Alright. This monument is erected by the Vere Technical High School in honor of the RT Honor Huge Lawson. I look like he is the founder of Vere. Don't quote me on that, but let's see. All the massive them will normally know everything about Vere Technical, and they can comment it in the comment section and make we hear. Beautiful. Yeah, so far so good. Probably could make a sneak peek over there, but I don't want to do that. Because let me tell you something, when it comes down to Jamaica, they have some serious rules when it comes down to school and properties. I've been wanting to do school tours, like go to different schools and talk about the history of the school, show persons what the school looks like and stuff. But the problem that I've been facing in doing that is that a lot of persons for these institutions don't want to show the schools on camera because they're probably afraid of the backlash. That person be like, yo, me I got the school from 1980 and you tell me say that drain cover they not fixed yet. So I can understand when it comes on to those stuff. So most of the persons them don't want the schools on camera to show the way how I show it, like just walk and just video and just showcase. You understand? Because me know say enough of the big people them turn some society people now we are gonna see. Even two signs we are gonna say, you tell me say from 1986 me I got a school that sign there. Drop down right there so and nobody no care if you take it up. So me sure know say even this video right now, persons are going to have a lot of things to say about the school from they've been going and stuff like that, and things will not change and what needs to be changed and stuff that is need to be done. You know what I mean? But I'm just showcasing the place to show what it looks like and what is actually happening. You understand? Out here the security post. Security is actually right there to my left on the campus. From stepping in and being a watch me. So I make sure Eli man make him know say I am up to something good, not the other way around. So big up to all the Vere Technical massive as we head down to this side. One more time again for the sign. Vere Technical and the school logo right here. Center camera. Mad thing. Vere Technical. So big up to all our people that go Vere Technical High School and thing. Great school. Yo, so loud. As we move through. Blessings, man, blessings. The sun I go pelt out back. Right here now. Wow. It's a lovely day. Good evening. So this is Lionel Town Road for everybody who just joined in. We are in the vicinity of A's, Clarendon. Yeah. That is where we are. I'm not sure what is over here, but so good. Oh, there's a sign. P&D Williams Heavy Equipment Limited. So if you want heavy equipment, you can link them up. They have a number. WhatsApp 876-206-1900. Yeah. That is it. Right over here. And also another WhatsApp number over here. 876-986-0190. P&D Williams Heavy Equipment Limited. Yeah. Look like they sell block and sell bricks. There's so many things I can see from the gate alone. And a whole variety of truck and tractor trailer over there. Easy. As you move through. I know that the health center is a little bit down there, so you know the thing go. You go right down to the health center and just mad it up. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. Queens are here. Yeah, massive. You can look. That is it. Look good. I think I'm gonna stop here for today. A mad thing. No joke, no doubt. Good evening, my church sister. Good evening. That is it. I'm doing well. You know? Outside. So yeah, massive. Look good. Blessed. Yeah. Massive, you know them place, yeah? Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. So yeah, massive, as I can see with the right out of the plaza. Nice plaza. So yeah, massive, we are going to just close it right. That's right out the plaza with the, you understand, as we showcase the whole ears and the entire Lionel Town Road from, not the entire thing, but a good amount. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, staying tuned, watch the entire walk. It's been great. It's been a great vibe. And may I tell you, say, I had fun. And I just want to say to all the massive who actually stay tuned and watch the entire video, thank you so much. Like, if you watch and you subscribe, big up, respect. And if you watch and you're not subscribed, me understand same way. You see me I say, but me I hope that you actually like the video and thing, you know what I mean? So I hope me get a few new members from this video who's gonna subscribe and sign up for the membership. You don't know, big up every time. Mad love, mad respect. Big up the entire Lionel Town massive, all of the A's massive. Big up every time, you know what I mean? Big up to all of the spot them when me actually stop on video, and all the people them been so good and receptive of Jamaica walk by. Super appreciate every single one of them. You understand? A mad love, a mad respect. You see me I say? So it's all about greatness. Big up to all of the youths, them same way all of the general them will buck up on the road and thing. It's just be a crazy enjoyment and vibe. You see me? So we're there in the street, right us out of the plaza, we are close it. You understand? I want the area name again. And then call out us again. So no, the highway. You understand? Let me see. You understand? They call this the road of Queen's Highway still. But you know the thing go. So big up, respect, thank you guys so much again for watching. Big up my general 10th floor anywhere you're there in the world. You understand? A mad respect, mad energy every time. You don't know. Big up to all like New York massive them, all of my friend them, all of my Jamaican, Clarendon, Bridging them, brother them, big up on yourself. You know what I mean? For all of the platform. We talk about TikTok, we talk about Instagram, we talk about YouTube. Big up every time. You see me, one Jamaica walk by as we sign out. Mad love, mad respect. It's just great. Sin, that is it. Outside me they look good. Figure that is it.
Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jaja's place. But there's no need to worry, cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, it is. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, it is. Looking around, I see a kind face. And only used to be cyborg is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it. It's a damn disgrace. So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. Angola awaits us, yes. Nigeria awaits us, yes. Ethiopia awaits us, yes. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes. I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa, yes.